Hey everybody, welcome along to this lesson for Nothing Revealed, Everything Denied by 1975. So stay tuned to the end of the lesson for a free bonus download, but before I get into that, I'm going to start teaching the song. So the song begins with the chorus, and what happens is we get a C major 7. And you'll notice I am using my fingers. You're welcome to use the pick if you wish. Okay, the only small chord to watch out for, well, there's two of them. You have one in the second bar and one in the third bar. That's why I'm using fingers in this. So we get C major 7. Okay, now do not be put off by the name of this chord. It's a fairly insane name. It's basically like an A minor 7. So you get 3, 3, then you get 5 on the G, then ring finger on the 5 above. Like that. Okay, so I'm using the thumb for that one, and then I'm using index, middle, ring to get the other ones. Then we get B flat with a C bass, just bar across the 3rd fret. Okay, so all together it goes like this from the beginning. It goes 3, 4, la, dun, 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 dun. Is there anybody out there? Okay, that F minor at the end is just a regular bar chord. Okay, in the F major 7, 1, 2, 3, from the B string up. You can get your thumb on the top, and you can go like that. Now you'll notice with the second chord in this, there are times I've done this. Okay, it can be a nicer one to do. So I'm going like 3, 5, 5, and getting the 5 there. Okay, so that'll be written in the description below if you wish to do that. Otherwise, just follow the tab. Both sound pretty accurate. Now, that is the chorus, and that is done 4 times. There's no major rhythm on it because it's all just... Is there anybody out there? And get ready to go back to C major 7. Play along if you wish. Just watch out for this chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so for the verse, what we're going to do is the following. You're going to get C major 7 again. Now, check out all those chords. They're the exact same chords. The difference now is we do have a rhythm on them. This is the bit where he's going... So you see, we just have the rhythm, and that covers a lot of the verse. But before we get into that, let's do the rhythm now. So the rhythm goes as follows. If you play by ear, just follow me on this one. You see it goes... Okay, so that's for an entire bar. And again, you see that would cover F major 7, F minor. Now, watch out for the bar that has 2 chords. A question you'd often have is like, where do they change? So you go like this. Okay, so as you see, it goes the goalpost through the downs. Down, down, up, down, down, up. That up, the second up in the rhythm, that's where you change chord. Like that. So the verse altogether goes as follows. It goes 3, 4. You just keep repeating that. Now, a small thing to watch with this is the following. It's, if you do want to count it, it's going 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 and a. So you notice out of those rhythms, 3 of the beats have the exact same rhythm. The down, down, up. But here, you just have to watch out for how the ups fall. So it goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, like that. All right, so that is the verse, and that's also the bit, do you know where the voice comes in? They're like, I don't know what they're saying, but that covers that as well. That's listed as the bridge in the official recording. The chords are the exact same. So those are the verses, the rhythm. Okay, and again, the chorus will do that as well with rhythm. The first chorus of the whole song, the life feels like a dun, 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 dun. That's all single strums. But after that, the rest, you are doing the full rhythm. And that is the entire song. Now, if you want to download a free tab that will play on screen that you can test your rhythm along with, you'll see pop up right about now. Just pop in your email and you'll receive access to that along with a lot of other songs I've taught as well. And be sure to leave a comment below to let me know how you get on with this. All right, see you in the next lesson, guys.